Hey my beauty family, this is VALYA'S channel, and in today's video I'll have for you this look, which is a very nice brown nude look, warm light brown look, which is, my friends, my recommendation for you that we are going back to school in this September. So my friends, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows as usual with my Tommy D eyebrow pencil number 3 light brown, which is this. Then I have sculpted them up with my Usa's liquid concealer in the shade Fair. I have prepared my lids with the same concealer and then I have set it up with my powder. And now I'm ready to move on to my shadows, to the whole look. My friend, in this video I will show you a makeup look, a soft glam look for you who are going back to school. So, the first step I'm going to do is to take my NYX pencil by my NYX Professional, which is the light brown number 904, which is this, and I'm going to smudge my upper line, my lash roots. I'm going to apply this pencil, which is a very nice brown, sweet brown, in a thick line. Don't matter, don't be worried. I'm gonna do a thick line, so I will take a brush and I can smudge it. This is the first. And you see, I'm applying a very thick line. I don't matter with that. It is a thick line, don't matter. And now I'm taking a brush, this type of brush, and I will smudge onto the whole eye. Turn it up a little under. This you can do it and with a black line, but it will be very harsh, I think, on my opinion, of course, and I prefer for you who are going back to school the brown. Smudging the product and turn it up into the inner crease. And over that I will take my classic MUA bronzer and this a flat but big brush, and I will do my crease line. It is a very nice soft glam look for you who are going back to school these days, my friends. And I choose brown colors that they are most usual for all of us, and they are the colors that you can wear most easily in this condition. And on the other eye I'm going to do the same, taking my NYX light brown, which is this, doing a thick line and smudging the product. And turn it up onto the inner lid a little. I will smudge it, I will pull it up on the outer corner, and I will turn it up on the inner crease. And of course, continuing with my classic MUA bronzer to do my inner crease. And I think I am ready. I don't want something more for this. I'm going, in this case, if you don't want, don't do it. I'm gonna apply my Vortex black mascara before, but I will wear and a pair of thin lashes to show you how they are. My lashes are they. I'm gonna wear them. They are long but thin lashes. If you want. If you don't want, just apply your mascara and you are ready. Taking my tweezers to do my lashes. Apply 1-2 coats from my black mascara. If you have a brown mascara and it is good for you, but if you want to apply only mascara, wear or black, either brown. If you want to apply in false lashes, you have to wear only black mascara, because you will ruin your brown mascara under the false lashes. I'm applying 2-3 coats. You can leave it as it is and you will be ready. And now I'm ready to wear my false lashes. I'm gonna wear them off camera, my friends, and coming back. My lashes are ready, and now moving on to the rest of the face. I'm gonna usually use my MUA Pro Base Oil Free Primer as usual. I'm using my moisturizing primer, which is for me that I have a combo to dry skin. If you have an oily skin, we have told that you need a more mattifying primer. You need it before your foundation. It is a basic step. Not a few coffee while I work. And of course, continue with my HD Foundation Golden Rose 115 Golden Base, and I will mix it with my All Day Wear Foundation number 105. The one is very dark, the other is more lighter. I always mix foundations with different colors to find the right shade for me. This is a more light foundation. And moisturizing, of course, because I want moisturizing foundation for me. I'm applying it with my kabuki brush, and I will continue to apply that with my wet beauty blender. Continuing with my instant anti-age eraser 08 buff, and this is my Maybelline concealer. Onto the inner part of the lid, onto the outer corner. If you want, my friends, and if you are a beginner at your career, I have done 1-2 videos before, previous videos, that in which I'll show you how you can apply your concealer and contouring. You can find the right tips in there. On the chin, of course, 2 lines like a mini lift, and on the mustache area, and between the brows. And of course, as usual, we apply the product with our beauty blender, as we always do. Any liquid product you start to apply with a brush, then blend it very well with your beauty blender. You have the right best result you want. And now, moving on to my MUA Bronze Cream Bronze Espresso, which is my contouring. I will apply some of that, and on the chin, don't need much because it's a dark product, and starting to apply it with my beauty blender. If you don't want that step, avoid that, it is not necessary, but I think that a very nice contouring, it is must for a good look. And applying it very nicely with my beauty blender. It is applying very beautiful. And putting on all the products down onto the neck. Now I'm taking my loose powder just to set up the whole face, of course setting up the under eye area. With a loose powder we set up the under eye area and the whole face. The compact powders, we have told many times that they are only for the whole face except the under eye area. Of course, the loose, we can apply it for the whole face, to set up the whole face. It is a setting powder. And of course, over that, I'm gonna take it my compact powder to set up the whole face. Continuing with my bronzer, MUA Bronze Perfection. onto the cheeks. And some of that with that angled brush to contour our nose. I have shown to you the techniques of contouring before 2 videos. Go and check them out. Over that, I'm taking my coral blush. In this case, you are going back to school. You need warm tone colors and soft colors. And coral for blushes is the best blush that matches to all of the skins, tones, personalities, all of you. It is a safe color. I will apply some of my highlighter. It is not necessary, but I will have some of that on my nose, between the brows, and some of that onto the cheeks. It is not necessary if you don't want that. Of course, taking my bronzer and applying some of that on the under the bottom eye area of the eyes. Some of that, don't need much. My mascara, one coat on the bottom lashes, the same NYX light brown for my waterline area, the same brown pencil, because we have told that we want a soft look. And lips. I will not apply much more of highlighting. It is not necessary because it will be in the morning and we want to have a soft look. So, a light brown pencil, nude pencil, as we always do. And the classic nude beige brown color like this is, it is the must lipstick you have to wear. And of course the last step is my fixing spray. So I can have my makeup last during the whole day. My friends, as you see, it is a complete finished look. A light brown look for you. The brown, the warm, the nude color are colors that matter to all of you and they are suitable for all the circumstances. So, on my opinion, of course, if you're going back to school, you need a look like that. So, my friends, if you liked the video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends!